In the realm of human endurance, extreme temperatures pose some of the most severe challenges. The question of how long a person can survive at 80 degrees Celsius, 112 degrees Fahrenheit without clothing touches on the limits of human physiology. It is an environment so hostile that survival can be measured in minutes. The immediate dangers of extreme cold. At 80 degrees Celsius, the human body faces immediate and life-threatening dangers. The most pressing concern is the rapid loss of body heat in such an environment. Without clothing, there is no insulation to keep the warmth generated by metabolic processes within the body. Heat escapes quickly, and core body temperature begins to drop precipitously. Hypothermia and frostbite. Hypothermia, a dangerous drop in body temperature, sets in when the core temperature falls below 35 degrees Celsius, 95 degrees Fahrenheit. In conditions as extreme as 80 degrees Celsius, this can occur within minutes. The initial symptoms include shivering, followed by a decline in motor coordination and confusion as the body prioritizes the protection of vital organs. Concurrently, exposed skin would begin to freeze, leading to frostbite. This condition occurs when skin and other tissues freeze, causing ice crystals to form between cells and potentially leading to permanent damage. Physiological responses and survival time. The human body has several physiological responses to cold, such as shivering and vasoconstriction, the narrowing of blood vessels, which are designed to conserve heat. However, these mechanisms are quickly overwhelmed at 80 degrees Celsius. Given these extreme conditions, an unclothed person would likely experience the onset of hypothermia within 1 to 2 minutes. Consciousness could be lost in as little as 2 to 5 minutes, and death would follow shortly thereafter due to cardiac arrest resulting from the extreme cold. It should be noted that survival time can vary based on individual factors such as body composition, overall health, and acclimatization to cold environments. However, without protective clothing or a heat source, these factors would offer negligible additional time in such severe conditions. The role of protective clothing. The importance of proper clothing in extreme cold cannot be overstated. Specialized gear designed for polar explorers or workers in cryogenic environments can provide life-saving insulation and warmth. These garments are constructed with materials that trap air close to the body, forming a barrier against the cold. Finally, the human body is not equipped to withstand temperatures of 80 degrees Celsius without protective clothing. The survival time in such conditions is only a few minutes due to the rapid onset of hypothermia and frostbite. It is a stark reminder of the limits of human endurance and the deadly power of extreme cold. For anyone venturing into environments where such temperatures are possible, appropriate precautions and protective gear are absolutely essential for survival.